A few years ago, I was trying to figure out an effective way to simulate crafting in Dungeons & Dragons. The campaign I was running had regular downtime, so I knew it would come up, and I didn't want to have to write a bunch of crafting recipes either. This is what I settled on. A player would tell me what they wanted to craft. For example, a magic sword. I figured they could make a skill check using their proficiency with smith's tools, but I didn't want them crafting the whole thing overnight, so I settled on a target number for the player to work towards. Let's say 100. During downtime, the player would make a skill check to see how much progress they had made on the sword. They rolled an 18, great. Write that down and save it for later. Next time we had downtime, the player could keep working on the magic sword. Let's see another skill check, 15. Let's add that to the 18 from last time, and now the progress on that magic sword is at 23 out of 100. You can change the target number based on how long an item would take to craft and how often you have downtime in your game. Once that player hits the target number, in our case, 100 out of 100, they've completed their magic sword and can begin using it immediately. Sometimes in order to start crafting something, a player might need a specific ingredient, like the horn of a unicorn or scales of a dragon. Sometimes I'll just say, you want to make a magic shield? Well, what materials do you have? Demon blood? Yeah, let's figure out what properties a shield made of demon blood might have. I like this system because it's simple and easy to keep track of. I just have the player keep track of their crafting progress on their character sheet, and it can be adapted for other things too. Like maybe instead of crafting progress, you could track the progress of training an animal or learning a new language. I recommend this system. You should give it a try.